Alrighty, hello class. So today we will have this question right here. We have a mass of 8 kilograms suspended by 2 wires on a horizontal arm which is on a vertical shaft. So, as we see here, we will first begin with T1 plus T2 cosine theta mass times gravity. So, then what we have is T2 sine theta mass velocity times squared over radius. So what we go on to do now is T1 is equal to the mass times gravity, right, minus mass velocity squared over the velocity tan theta. Okay, so in this case, we do T1 is now when we put in and plug and chug basically. So since it was 8 kilograms, we multiply that times the gravity, which is 9.8, minus mass times the velocity, which is 2.3, squared over the velocity tan theta, which in our case is 0.8 times 0.8 over 0.6. This will give us 78.4 minus 39.67, which is equal to 38.73 newtons. But our answer choice will be 39.